out the way!
Uh-oh.
Burnout.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, always in boost, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. But you already know. First, let's check out the kicks, man. Woo-wee. Woo, yes. You know I gotta show you the kicks. But long story short, let's get into this video, man. As you can see, womp womp, the Raptor, aka Smoke, is down, and yeah, I mean, you can see the parts in the bed. As you can see, everything's apart. You know, I'm at my local Ford dealership, Ford, in my local town. And like I said, long story short, I was driving on the way from work. It was like 100 degrees outside, and I just felt some power loss. I was like, what the hell's going on? You know, I started like fishing around. I didn't see no check engine light. But when I said that, like I say 10 to 15 minutes in, I got a check engine light with losing power of the truck. So I'm like, uh oh, here we go. What's going on? So I brought it over to Ford dealership, and I'm going to show you what's going on. So I got the infamous issue, as everyone knows, these 3.5s, the Raptors, the can phaser issue. So yeah, yes, we got it. So if anyone want to know what it looks like and what's involved as far as changing out the can phasers, this is what it looks like. This is how much work you got to take out. That's what it looks like. So I mean, it's a lot of work that needs to be done. And also, not to mention, also I want to mention is, we did change to these can phasers like less than 5,000 miles ago on this side, and the check engine light that we got was for this side. So now we're in the process of changing this side can phasers. And you know, my local Ford dealership, they take care of me, man, and they take care of the truck. They do awesome work. So hey man, it's one of those things. It is what it is, you know. And I also don't want to be that guy that you always see on the channel with everything going right, everything's good. You gotta see the bad too, you know what I mean? I bought this truck used with like 38,000 miles on it and whatnot. And you know, I got the extended warranty, so at the end of the day, it's covered. But I just wanted to show everyone, you know, what it looks like to be in, what's involved when you have a can phaser issue and you need the can phasers replaced. So it's a lot involved, as you can see, man. A lot involved. Everything is off. You know, they've been cranking on it for the past 2 days now. So, you know, but everything else looks good. Turbos are good, as you can see. It's not too bad. You know, that's what I originally thought it was. Because when I felt the power loss, I was like, oh shit, maybe I ain't got no more, maybe the turbo blew or something like that. But I looked in the rearview mirror, no smoke when I gave it gas. When I got home, I let it idle, I saw no gas. So I kind of like ruled that out. But yeah, so this is what happens with the can phaser. So yeah, we changed the one side and now we're gonna change the other. I know Ford did a revision on the cam gear itself, but I don't think that worked too well, so they went back. But he also was doing some type of transmission software update to help that issue, but I don't think that worked either, or it hasn't been released. But it is what it is, man. But I wanted to share with you guys. Don't you worry, Big Smoke will be up and running in no time. Up and running in no time, you know. But yeah, it's a lot involved, guys. It's a lot involved, you know. You gotta take everything down to get to where you gotta get, you know. But we'll be up and running the next few days, hopefully, and you'll get to see the video. But I got to show you guys my loaner car. That's dope. You gotta see the loaner car. So I'm gonna check back in a second. I'm gonna talk to the tech for a bit. He didn't really want to be in the camera, which is cool, and he gave me the rundown on the issue, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So, but again, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you got to change the can phasers. So, you know, hope you guys got the warranties on the Raptors. but you know, they're common in all the 3.5 EcoBoosts. So not that bad, but I'm gonna check back in you guys so you can see the loaner car. All right, but I'm gonna give you one more glance. Doesn't this hurt your heart? Doesn't it hurt your heart? All right. Yeah. What are you gonna do? Check you back in a minute. Peace. What's going on, guys? We are back. I am now in the loaner car, but I thought I was gonna get a cooler loaner car. I thought I was gonna get the electric Mach-E and whatnot, but they did the switcheroo on your boy, man. They gave me a little Jeep. This is a Jeep, right? No, Jeep Cherokee, I think this was this. But yeah, man. But back to the smoke, aka Raptor, man. Look, man, things happens, man. This is why you got warranty, guys. This is why you got warranty. So I was not worried one bit at all. You know what I'm saying? The minute that check engine light came on, I was like, whoop, right back to the dealership it goes. But yeah, man, it's just one of those things, man. You know, besides those can phase issues, at the end of the day, it's still an awesome truck, man. It's still fun to drive. I still love it like the day I bought it, used and all. You know what I'm saying? It was new to me. But like I said, man, good thing we got that warranty though. That's gonna help out real good. And it's just weird though how the can phases just went out like that, man. I was just driving, and I'm like, oh, what's going on here? Red light, you know what I mean? I was like, I knew something instant was wrong, but that was crazy. I thought when they originally changed the can phaser on the just in general, and it's been less than, I only put not even 5,000 miles on the truck since they replaced the can phasers. I thought they was gonna just replace them all, but from what the tech told me, they only replaced the left side. And the code that I got, you know, recently was for the right side. I'm like, all right, but I'm like, come on, Ford, you guys could have changed them both. Like, why would you want to go back in there again? You know they're a common issue. You know what I'm saying? So if it would, I don't know. I mean, if you guys have any other suggestions or what you thought about that, leave them in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? I thought that was just weird that they only changed one side. I was hoping they were going to, I mean, if you have can phases, I thought they would have changed both sides, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. It's getting fixed. And yeah, should be done in a few days, they said. Like I told the guy, man, I don't want you rushing through it. You know, take your time. I don't need the truck back. I got a loaner now, it's even better. You know, I just want it done right. And we'll be back on the road with that bad boy, man. Bring you more content. You know, I know you guys been asking about the GT500. That is coming soon. I honestly really have not even driven it since I dynoed. You know, I literally got off the dyno, strapped it back on the trailer, took it back home, threw it in the garage. You know, work's been crazy. But those first drive videos is definitely coming. I'm waiting on a set of new tires because the tires that's on there was already shot and the dyno did not make it any better. They took some more life away from those things, man. So it's not even, the car's not even safe to drive. Honestly, even if I could drive it, it's not even safe to drive on the street. The shape of those tires, the Mickeys I have on now. And but that'll be coming soon. I will check back in with you guys next couple of days when we go pick up smoke. And you know the deal. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, man. Support the boys, support the channel. And I check you when we pick up smoke in the next few days back at the dealership. Peace. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, always in boost, GT500 coming back at you, man. I am back at my local Ford, Bayer Ford, in my local area. I'm back to pick up the Raptor, the AKA Smoke. It's all done. It's been a few days since they had the truck. Everything's look like it's intact, as you can see. You know, I got double check everything, make sure everything is back running, everything sounds good, nice and quiet. Make sure the tech, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure the tech put everything back on. I don't want to leave here and have some issues, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm just double checking everything. Everything seems good. Everything's back in order. Other than that, we are good to go. We are good to go. You know, I'm just gonna take this bad boy for a drive on my way home and see how she feels. All right, woof. Man, let me tell you guys, it's hot. It is hot outside. Man, it's hot. But woof. Oh man, feel good to have the truck back though, man. Definitely feels good to have the truck back. But we got to take this bad boy for a drive. Let me get my seatbelt on, because you know, safety first. I'm gonna head back home. And I feel like, you know, I'll bring you guys with me. See how it feels. So, happy to have it back, man. They did a good job. Truck sounds good. Sounds a lot quieter than it was when I first brought it to them. Because now listening to it now, I definitely can hear there was like a little louder ticking noise. But it's definitely a lot quieter right now. So, let's see how she feels. But yeah, man, it just sucks, you know. Comment below, guys, if anybody else had any issues with their cam phasers and how their truck felt before and after. You know? So, I mean, let's see, man. It sounds good. Give it some gas. Power's back. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Man, it's hot outside today. Whew, it's like 91 degrees. Like 91 degrees, but yeah, so far it feels smooth. Got my power back. Before, when I dropped it off, the truck literally had no power. Like at first I thought it was something. At first I thought it was a turbo or something that blew. That's how much power the truck lost. Like I would give it gas, and the truck wouldn't go anywhere. Then I would turn it off, let it sit for like a half hour, drive again, and the truck would have power again. And then 15 minutes after driving, you know, the truck would the power loss would come right back. So. And then that's when the check engine light came on. But seems like everything is okay. Give it a nice little drive, man. Hopefully this is the last time having to bring it back to the dealership for the cam phasers. Now, both sides are replaced. Like I explained earlier in the video, the dealership only changed one side that was, you know, that was the issue. And now the other side went. So now both sides are replaced within like 4,000 miles from each other. So it wasn't like I drove it for like, you know, another 15, 20K and then the other side went. But yep, it was like only 4,000 miles in between. I literally did it 4,000 miles ago. But it feels good to me. You guys comment below. Let me know what you guys feel with these cam phaser issues. How common is it? I mean, I read a lot about it on the forums and whatnot. So that's why I'm well known about it. So. But other than that, I'm happy. Got the truck back, no check engine light. They also did a fresh oil change for me. That's good. So now I gotta worry about no oil change on this bad boy. Yeah, she's back. Oh yeah, she's back. She's ready to kick. But I'm gonna end this video like this because I don't want to bore you guys of me driving around, seeing how the truck fails. Definitely comment below. Let me know if you had any issues with cam phasers. Like I said, hit that like. Hit that subscribe button, man. So support your boy, support the channel. I'm gonna continue to bring content, like I said earlier, man. I can't always show you good content. You gotta also see the bad, you know what I mean? And that's my goal. You know, anything that goes wrong with the truck or the GT500, I would like to, you know, let you guys know, fill you guys in, educate you at the same time as I'm educating myself. So it's a good thing, man. So definitely check back in for more videos. I will check you out in the next one. Peace.